Hey boys and girls, we are going to learn about a fantastic app called Toontastic. Toontastic is a fantastic app. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about the elements of story. In a short story we have the beginning of the story, the middle of the story, and the end of the story. A classic story consists of setup, conflict, challenge, the climax, and the resolution. So how do we put a story together? What are the important things to know? Let's find out. The beginning of the story introduces the characters and the setting.
Hey Lisa, we've been hanging out in the house for like 3 weeks. I really want to get out of here. Don't you want to jump on my moped? Is that a moped? But it looks like it flies. Well, it's my flying moped. Want to go? Sure.
A character does not always have to be a human being like you or me. A character can be an animal. It can be a clock. It can be a monster. So many different things can be characters. We have good characters. We have bad characters. We have main characters. And we have characters that support those main characters. In Toontastic, we can select really cool characters. We can even take a picture of ourselves. What is the setting? The setting is the location or the time period. Is it in the Western days? Is it in outer space? Is it in your school? Settings can be so many places.
Oh my gosh, I think we went too far up. Yeah, I think our flying moped took us into space. Look, there's someone. Maybe he can help us.
The middle of the story is what the story is about. In this case, we have our main characters lost in space, and they're trying to get back. That is what the story is about. It's also a bit of a problem.
Hey Lisa and Chris, I'm glad that we got a chance to meet. Next time you want to come to outer space, just call me on the space phone. Thanks so much for giving us a space phone, Joe. Next time we come, we'll meet you right here. Yeah, we'll just jump on my air moped. Nice to meet you. Have a good day.